Hello everyone, in the previous video we installed the Samba server. In this video, let's learn how to share a folder using Samba, so that computers in your LAN can easily read and write files between Windows and Linux. First, let's take a look at the following diagram to understand how it works. Non-Samba, I'll create a user account named Sambavery and a shared folder named Share Everyone. This folder will be configured to allow everyone on the network using this account to read and write data inside it. Next, let's check the status of the Samba server to make sure the service is active and running on your system. If the status shows active running, that means your Samba server is working properly, and we can move on to the next step. Next, we'll create a new username that will be used to access the shared Samba folder. This account will be shared among all users on the local network to read or write data inside the shared directory. At this step, you can simply press Enter to skip all of them, as Samba doesn't require these details. After creating the user, we need to set a Samba password for this account, using the command. The system will ask you to enter a new Samba password. Next, let's create the folder structure that will be used for Samba sharing. In this example, we'll create a directory named Share Everyone inside Samba. Next, we'll assign ownership of the folder to the user Sambavery we just created. This ensures that the account has full read and write access to the shared directory. Next, we'll set the access permissions for the shared directory. Our goal is to allow the owner and group to read, write, and execute, while other users can only read and execute. Make sure you've set the correct permissions for the folder, just like in the My example. Now, let's open the Samba configuration file. We will start by adding the shared folder configuration we just created. After opening the configuration file, move to the bottom of the file by pressing Shift+G. Next, add the sample configuration I've prepared here to the end of the configuration file. To better understand the meaning of each parameter in this configuration, I have included a detailed explanation in the video description, so feel free to check it out. Alright, now let's save and exit the configuration file. Next, let's restart the Samba service to apply the changes we just made. Okay, now we've finished configuring the shared folder on the Samba server. Next, let's move to a computer within the LAN to check how the shared folder works. On the Windows machine, first, open the control panel. Next, within the control panel, click on User Accounts. Then, click on Manage Your Credentials. Next, select Windows Credentials. Next, click Add a Windows Credential. In the Internet or Network Address field, enter the IP address of the Samba server you want to access. In the username and password fields, enter the Samba account credentials you created earlier and its corresponding password. Then click OK to save. Now open the Run window on Windows, press Windows+R, and enter the IP address of your Samba server in this format. When you press Enter, The File Explorer window will open and display the Share Everyone folder. Now, try creating a new file or copying a file into it to test read and write permissions. Okay, we've now completed configuring and testing the Samba shared folder. In the next video, we'll explore another type of sharing. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.